Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about CMDB 3 pillars. So to get success on CMDB and to looks, organize and properly maintain the CMDB, we need to have 3 pillars in the CMDB. The first pillar is called ingestions. So what is the ingestion? Ingestion means the data loading and maintaining. So whenever you are loading the data or you are updating the data, that process we call the ingestions. Okay. Now, what are the tool used for ingestion? For the tools we use for the ingestion is called discovery. How we can create the data? We can create the data through the discovery. We can create the data through the service mapping. We can create the data through the Excel. We can create the data through agent client controller, service graph. All these using that we can ingest the data. We can create the data into our CMDB. So in your data foundation, they might be ask you that what is the 3 pillar of the CMDB successfully. So one of the pillar is called ingestion, and then tools could be discovery, service mapping, agent client controller, and service graph. Next is the governance. Okay, so to maintain the data accuracy, like whatever data comes to our system, right, we need to governance that data. So this is the second step for governance. Okay, how we can governance that? We can do the governance using what? We can use the governance using our CMDB health dashboard. So where we can see that what is the data came up, is the all the fields have mandatory fill up, is there any there is no relationship is there in our CI, then we can maintain that using the governance rules. So using that governance pillar, we can actually governance the CI, they are correctly maintained or not in our CMDB. And then third is called insight. Insight means that I want to see the CI, right? So what are the tools we can use that? We can use the query builder. We can use the unified map. Using that, we can see the relationship. We can see that, in a graphical representation, we can see their how they related with each other. This process we call the insight. So remember that whenever your question came up in your system, like what are the 3 pillars of success in the CMDB? Ingestion, governance, and insight. For ingestion, we use the discovery. We use the agent client controller. We use the service graph, service mapping to load the data, to update the data. For governance, we use the CMDB health dashboard to maintain the data. And then for insight, we can use that our query builder to get this related CI. We can use the unified map for inside the data. Insight means that we want to see that report. We want to see that insight, like graphical representation, how the data are loaded, like dashboard or any of this workspace. Okay, so this is the 3 pillar of the CMDB success.